Determine the resulting circuit and its weight by applying the sorted edges algorithm on the following table. Write your answer as a circuit starting and ending with vertex A. All right, so we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. So let's create an empty graph with 6 dots on it. Like that. They don't have to be equal distance as long as you have them labeled. I'll start here, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so we're going to apply this the sorted edges algorithm and see if we can't find the answer that's a very minimum cost. Now, this again is a heuristic algorithm. We're not guaranteed the best answer possible. We're just guaranteed an easy to get good answer. Might even be great. So, sorted edges. First thing we do is we take a look at all of the possible weights and find the cheapest ones on there. We want this on our itinerary for sure. If we're looking for the saving money or time or distance, we want the cheapest one. So this is B to D. We're going to start by adding B to D into our circuit. Let's cross that off so we don't go back to it. Okay, what's the next cheapest on the list? Well, it's this 9. So 9 is the next cheapest. Let's make sure we have F to B on our itinerary. Looking great. Let's cross that off. The next cheapest, well, it looks like the 11. It's the next cheapest. It's F to E. F to E, that's great. Let's cross that off. Sometimes it's difficult to spot a cheap one. You might be like, oh, look, 22, and you might think that's the cheapest. Scan around for a little while, and you might find something cheaper. In this case, D to C is cheaper. Okay, now D to C is a great circuit to have. Now, if you are careful, let's cross out that 20, you could be done here. There's still a vertex to visit. We must visit it. And then we got to get home. There's no other choices here. To visit that vertex, we can't visit from any of the other vertices because that would create degree 3, which is not part of the algorithm, as well as it would create extra. It wouldn't, anyway, no degree 3. So we can either do that one next or that one next and then finish the job. That's really all there is to it. If we continue along with this algorithm, 22 is the next one. It says C to B. C to B would be a mistake. It would create a circuit before all the vertices were touched. So that we can't use the 22. Next one would be the 25. 25 is D and E. D to E, again, creates a circuit before all the vertices are done. We can't use the 25. The next shortest one is 32. E to C. E to C, oh, again, we can't do that because it creates a circuit before A is visited. So you can go through the algorithm checking off the ones that don't work and just keep going through the algorithm until you finally stumble upon 33 is the next one. That can connect C and A. There we go. That one works. And you could keep going on the algorithm. C to A is done. The next cheapest is A to F. A to F, not allowed. The next cheapest is, but eventually you want to exit this process and realize there's only one thing left. So I don't care about any of this. In fact, for the last 2 steps, I didn't care because there's only an obvious thing to do. So I terminate out of the sorted edges algorithm, when there's one vertex left that's not connected, I know I need to connect it, and I know I need to finish the circuit. So I kind of make a quicker exit than the process would. But that's fine. What we have is our answer. We want to write the circuit starting with A, ending with A. I'm going to do alphabetical order, so I'll do A and then C, and then finish it off D, B, F, E, A. It says determine its weight as well. So let's see, from A to C, from C to D, from D to B, from B to F, from F to E, and from E to A. Those would be the 6 numbers to add up. Adding those numbers up, we get 124. All right, go ahead and pause the video as you work on this next problem. So with A, B, C, D, E, F, you should have the circuit A, C, E, D, B, F, A, or the reverse. It would look like this. And the minimum weight, 116. Again, you can write this in reverse if you'd like, and it'll still get you full credit because it starts and ends with A, which is the instruction set that you are given. All right, I hope this helps.